Ready?
Low. Do it on low.
Ready?
Here we go.
Oh, you're ready. Oh, oh no.
Like a dog. There you go. Just be careful because she's got no feathers on her chest. She'll get burned.
Just gotta keep it moving.
Yeah, keep her moving around. She does love it, huh? There you go. Why don't you take her down so you can do her?
Well, I'm gonna just do it in this area so she can go in and out of it.
You see all the dirty stuff on the pole from her feet?
That way she can get away from the air. Come on over here.
Even under her wing job, right? That's good. You know? She's cute. Isn't that cool? She shakes around like a dog. Cool, huh?
What a crazy coop.
We gotta dry her off good because it's too cold in the room. Actually, it's not. What do you think? Put her on high real quick. Not real hot, right? Hot?
No. It's like me doing this to you.
Oh, anyway. Look at her feather. She's drying up nice, right? Look at her crest. It's soap. She needs behind her done.
She needs to turn her ass around.
You won't.
I'll get in the shower.
No, you won't. There's water in there. Let's get to a video, alright? 2 minutes and 6 seconds.